Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will begin by creating or selecting the repository that will host your project. Once done, initialize it with a README so documentation exists from the start. Make sure to add a sensible Git ignore to avoid committing build artifacts and choose a license to clarify reuse. This matters for collaborators. Then clone the repo locally with git clone, move into the folder, and prepare your initial file structure. This is the first actionable step to get code into version control. Now you add a GitHub project to organize work. Create a board, pick a template like Kanban, and define columns that match your workflow. Once the board exists, create issues for tasks and drag them to the project or link via Projects field. This connects planning to code changes. Make sure to add labels, milestones, and assignees so priorities and ownership are visible. Finally, push a branch for a feature and reference the issue in your commit message to close it automatically when merged. To finish, open a pull request describing changes and link related issues or project cards. Request reviews and ensure CI passes before merging. Once approved, merge into main and optionally delete the feature branch to keep the repo tidy. If something goes wrong, fetch remote changes and rebase or merge locally to resolve conflicts, then push an updated branch. This prevents accidental overwrites. One key troubleshooting tip: if CI fails, run tests locally with the same environment to reproduce and fix errors before repushing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.